Hi, my name is Melinda if you're new to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is going to be an unboxing gone right from Saint Laurent. My last one went very wrong. I'm also super excited to share with you a giveaway today from Shoptagr. They are offering $500 as a giveaway, and all you have to do is either already have a Shoptagr account or create a Shoptagr account and tag 2 items during the month of November. The giveaway is from November 1st through November 24th. This is the easiest giveaway I have ever seen on social media, ever. You don't have to jump through hoops. You don't have to follow a bunch of people on Instagram. You just need to create an account and do so ASAP because $500 is amazing, especially this time of year. So the bag that I recently purchased from Saint Laurent, I purchased from my Teresa, and I got a coupon code from Shoptagr. So I saved 10% off of that bag. So I'm very excited about that. There are so many Black Friday sales coming up. There are so many deals and you don't want to miss out on them, and you will find out the items that you are interested in immediately because you will find out what goes on sale if you add it to your Shoptagr button. So I am going to show you now how to add the button to your computer and how to add things into your Shoptagr app so that you know what will go on sale and when. And then I will get into the unboxing. Adding the Shoptagr button to your computer is extremely easy. You want to go to the Chrome Web Store. You want to click Add to Chrome. When the drop-down box comes, click Add Extension. And it just takes a moment, and there it is. It is now going to be in the top of your browser, and you will be able to access 4,000 stores using the Shoptagr button. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to add something to your Shoptagr button. So I'm on my Teresa where I saved 10% with Shoptagr, and I'm going to add it to my cart, and I'm going to hit on the Save Product. I always choose any price change, and then you can add it to your list and keeps you very organized. I'm adding this one to bags, and then you click Save, and it is just that easy. So I'm going to share one of my lists with you, and I'm going to share bags with you. You can see I have bags, jewelry, makeup, and shoes. You can put as many lists as you want, and these are just some bags I'm interested in purchasing possibly, and it helps you to get your shopping organized and put them all into one place by using the app. So how to use the new coupon feature on Shoptagr. I have added items to my shopping bag on Loft, and on the side it said coupons found. So I clicked on the I feel lucky, and it is going to scroll through all the possible coupon codes that could be available for Loft, and it's going to give me the one that is going to save me the most money. So that's a great feature. This is how I was able to save my 10% off on my bag from my Teresa. So it looks like it has found a coupon code, and let's see how much I ended up saving, $21.80. So let's get into the unboxing. I ordered from my Teresa, as I said in the tutorial, and it came with this. This is the receipt. It's from, it says, over the years I have learned that what is important in a dress is the woman who's wearing it. Yves Saint Laurent. And then inside it has all of your receipts and paperwork should you need to return it. And they have a very generous return policy of 30 days. I was only expecting this box. It said it would just come in a dust bag. But when I opened it up, I was very surprised that it also had the Saint Laurent box. So let me show you what I picked up, which you can probably already guess by the size of the box. So it is, and it was packaged very beautifully. It said, thank you, this package has been lovingly packed by, and then a little signature. And then here is the little Saint Laurent booklet, which I have not opened that yet. I will insert some pictures of how it was wrapped. It was perfectly wrapped beautifully. The dust bag right here to reveal the Saint Laurent Mini Lou camera bag, and the color is Smog. And as you can see, I have it stored. It came with the foam, and I have it in there with the foam. So here is the color up close. It is, like I said, it's called Smog. It's a dark gray, but it's really a very blue gray. And look, the tassel is not in an S. It came just absolutely beautifully packaged. It has a leather piece at the top for the shoulder for crossbody, and it has the gold YSL on the front, and it has the chevron pattern, which I have been wanting something in chevron for quite a while, and I need to snip this tag off. I have not done that yet, but it is a keeper. Let me show you the inside of the bag. It is just stuffed with some tissue paper. So when I did my other unboxing, I had a lot of comments, and of people that either loved Saint Laurent, hated Saint Laurent, had great experiences, had bad experiences, but 1 or 2 comments asked if I had checked out this bag. And I said, no, I had not. I saw Mel in Melbourne unbox this in like a white cream color, but no, I didn't check it out. And they said it's completely leather lined. I always wonder, because when I was looking at the larger Lou, they're not that far apart in price, and I couldn't figure out why. Well, now I know why, because it is completely leather lined. So the back part here has 3 credit card slots. There we go. And it just says Saint Laurent, made in Paris, and then stamped at the bottom, made in Italy. And it's just black leather lined on the inside. And then the back has a little slit pocket right here, and it's in that grained leather. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. I can't pronounce it. But it's in that gorgeous grained leather. And I have a card holder that is also in this beautiful leather, and it has held up just amazingly. So I really like it. It's similar to Chanel's Caviar leather, where you're not going to worry about getting scratches or anything like that. I think this color is going to be perfect for fall and winter. If you follow me, you know I am the queen of the black bag, so I was like, I'm not getting black. I'm just not going to do it. And the red is absolutely gorgeous, but I know I won't carry red. So this is very comparable in size to the Chanel Mini, and I will be doing a comparison video on those later, and showing what fits in each, because there is a huge price difference. As I said, I paid $895.50 for this, and it is $995. So I think that's correct. And the Chanel is $3,500 plus tax. So I did get to skip on tax on this because it came from my Teresa, but when I bought the other one from Saint Laurent, Tennessee is now taxed. There's not a lot of ways to get around tax anymore, so it's a really big difference in price. And Chanel is not coming out with Caviar. I mean, they might at some point, but the rumors are that their minis are only going to be in lambskin, so who knows. But I will get into that later. But I want to kind of show you some things that will fit into this bag, and kind of go over that. And then I want to tell you a few other ways that you can save on luxury. So just briefly, before I show you what can fit, I just grabbed a whole bunch of small leather goods. I haven't really even played around with this yet, but just to tell you some ideas on how you can save for luxury. On luxury is, not for luxury, but save on luxury is this time of year. There's amazing sales, and this is when the Shoptagr button really comes in handy. It will let you know what you've been looking for has gone for a discount. And I find that late June and mid-November are when a lot of luxury brands go on sale, like Saint Laurent. Gucci does not go on sale on their website anymore, but some other websites will have some of their products discounted. Fendi, a lot of different brands. Also, if you watched my Burberry collection video, I was able to pick up 2 coats at their outlet with an extra 25% off, and they were already very discounted. So I got really good deals. So if you're near an outlet, and a lot of outlets will ship, if you call them up, they will send you pictures and they will ship. So I'm all about, you know, if you can save some money, why not, right? So especially around the holidays, we've got all this stuff we're buying. So nice to save. So let's see what fits in here. I just have a whole bunch of stuff down here. I'm gonna start with my iPhone because clearly no one's leaving the house without it. So I had wanted to put it in this back pocket, and even with the bag completely empty, it's not happening. See what I mean? Because I always use an OtterBox case, and even though this is the thinnest OtterBox case I've ever had, it's too thick. And this is the iPhone X. So depending on what phone you have and what kind of case that you use, that back pocket might work just fine. So of course, obviously that fits fine. It's the only thing in there. Trying to keep these chains from hitting my desk and driving you crazy. So the next thing I have is a key pouch from Longchamp. Put that down in there. Have to have my keys. I have a little Longchamp coin purse, which I use as a cosmetic pouch. So that is down there quite easily. So show you all of that. And then I have, if you wanted more card holders instead of just using the slot, this is the one I was telling you that I owned in the same leather, and that fits down in there just fine. And if you wanted to throw in some gum, that goes. Little tissues. So it's pretty stuffed, as you can see. Let's see if it zips. That's too much. Nope. Now that is absolutely fine. So you can see it holds quite a bit. Very, very comparable to the Chanel Mini, and I will, like I said, I will do a video on that. So I really wouldn't bring this. I would use the card slots that are in there. And normally if I'm using a mini bag, I'm usually not driving, so I would probably leave that out. And let's just see what else we can do with it, if it can fit sunglasses. So these are just sunglasses in a soft pouch. And the tissues back in. It's always allergy season in Tennessee. It just is. And yes, that fits. So that would be more what I would usually would bring. But when I do the review with the two bags, I will turn the camera around and really try to properly show you. Let me just pull everything out again so you can see the sunglasses, gum, and then the little cosmetic pouch, and then I've left the phone in there. I also brought out a little O pouch, the mini O pouch from Chanel. So if you wanted to use that instead of the Longchamp, I brought out a Bastia. That fits very well too. And I brought my smallest wallet, my Zoe, just to see if that will fit. And believe it or not, it does. Wow. I don't think I could do the sunglasses, but I could definitely squeeze the gum down in there and the tissues. Doesn't matter if you mash tissues. And let's see if it zips. I really haven't played with this, so I'm finding out what fits too. Yeah, so that's with, I mean, it's a mini wallet, but it's a full-size wallet, so if you just have to have a wallet with you. So it holds an amazing amount. Love the color, love the price that I got it for. Really, really do. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, I'm very excited about this one. So I will be doing that review later. And don't forget to sign up for an account with Shoptagr so you have a chance to win that $500. That's really, really great for this time of year, for any time of year. Free money, right? I hope you have an amazing day today. If you like these kind of videos and you haven't done so already, I hope you will take the time to hit that subscribe button down below and a thumbs up. Take care. Bye-bye.